In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass for Please Donate on Roblox. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First, let's go to roblox.com. So this is your homepage. From here, you want to click on Create. Now you will be redirected to this page. From here, you want to go to Creations. Now from here you will see all of your places. So just select your place. Example, just click here. So from here we want to scroll down and under this monetization section, just click on passes. Now from here, as you can see, I already created a game pass. So let's create another pass. So from here you can either change the picture or just remain as default. So let's just type the name, please donate. And just add any description or something like that if you want. So just create the pass. So now in order to advertise this pass, what you want to do is click here or just click it. Now you want to go here in the left hand side and click on sales. Now just enable this setting, item for sale, and now just add a price in Robux. So it depends on you how much you want people to donate or how much this Game Pass is priced. Let's just put in 500 and just click on Save Changes. So let's go back to Applications, click on our place and click on Passes. So as you can see, our pass has already a price of 500 Robux. So that is how to make a Game Pass or please donate on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.